is the Kosciusko County Fair, Warsaw, Indiana. This is FWF Fairground Beatdown as our biggest event of the summer continues with the following contest. Scheduled for one fall and is for the FWF World Heavyweight Championship. Sounds the man in command, senior official, the law, Mr. J. Myer. Introducing first, starting in the corner to my left, hailing from Death Hall, Michigan, weighing this evening at 305 pounds, he is the challenger, Big Russ Jones! And here's the opponent, across the ring, starting in the corner
And that's the cue for the ring announcer to get the hell out of the ring. Well, after the main event introductions here, Atomic Dog jumped by the challenger, Big Russ Jones. Big Russ Jones, thus undefeated here at Functified Wrestling Federation. Picking up some big-time victories as of late. Off the ropes, clothesline ducked, and the ring veteran, the ring general, the heavyweight champion with a flying shoulder block. Here's a fun-filled fact. Atomic Dog, he has been FWF World Heavyweight Champion going on 2.5 years. That's right, 2.5 years, unprecedented, and he's been a fighting champion. No one can beat him because he's that darn good. Big Russ Jones, this is his opportunity to shine. And you know, he came here with only one thing in mind. Walk out with the win, walk out with the championship, walk out the #1 guy in that FWF locker room today. It's been an unbelievable night of action. We still have our main event, a special attraction tag match. LBJ, the Cruiserweight Champion, Lightning Bolt Johnson, teaming up with Demolitions X, taking on KC Huber and the Rude Dude, Corey Havoc. What a tag team attraction that's going to be. And a flying splash in the corner. Big Russ Jones, snapmare takeover off the ropes. Oh, a big bicycle kick. This could be the end of the reign, but no. Atomic Dog started his pro wrestling career in 1999. This gentleman, he's got the mileage on the cars. He has seen the action. He has survived the wars. He's as good as ever. And as big as Big Russ Jones is at 305 pounds, Atomic Dog that much bigger at 330. It's Death Hall, Michigan, taking on Fayetteville, North Carolina. Opposites collide here tonight. This is Fairground Beatdown, courtesy of Functified Wrestling Federation from the Kosciusko County Fairgrounds. It's Warsaw, Indiana. This is your co-main event as Big Russ Jones with a double forearm smash, knocking down the champion. An insult to injury, he just wipes his foot right on the cranium, right on that bald head of Atomic Dog. Disrespectful right there. I don't think Russ Jones came here for respect, though. He'll get it, though, if he can defeat the champion. I mean, he's not worried about respect right now. He's worried about winning that belt. But with winning that belt comes respect, so it's one and the same, I guess, in the end of the day. As this capacity crowd just loving what they see. Well, Big Russ Jones certainly believes he's the man. Unbelievable action. Here comes Big Russ Jones, though, right back on the offensive. Big axe handle smash right to the face. New champion. Crowned tonight, perhaps, here in Indiana, but now. As this action continues, Russ Jones on the verge of his first FWF Major Heavyweight Championship here, but now. Once again, you're not just gonna take the belt off Atomic Dog. He's had it for 2.5 years. Many have stepped up to the plate. Many have come very close, but no one, and I mean no one, has been able to take that coveted strap off this proud man, this fighting champion's waist. You're gonna have to darn near kill this man in order to win that championship, I have a feeling. Atomic Dog now in the corner. Irish whip off the ropes now. Clothesline duck, though. Another clothesline ducked. Big Russ Jones, he gets caught, though. And it's a Uranagi. Uranagi from the champion. Unbelievable. And now, Dog doing what he's doing, thumping and bumping. Welcome to the Dog Pound. Welcome to Kosciusko County Fairgrounds. This is Warsaw, Indiana, and the Fairground Beatdown continues. The FWF World Heavyweight Championship hangs in the balance. This match is to the outside now. This is where buying those ringside seats really pays its toll, pays its dividends. And now they're going up into the bleachers. We're gonna try and keep track of this action. So we have our fine staff here at the Kosciusko Fair, the EMT squad, ready to take care of any injuries. And here are these two fierce competitors, these two gladiators have you. They both brought their A games, that's for sure. Only one man can walk out your champion. Is it gonna be Big Russ Jones? Is it gonna be the 2.5-year reigning champion Atomic Dog using those headbutts? And now he just slams Big Russ Jones' head to that solid garbage can. The Lord J. Myers up to 6. Slams his head into that unrelentless, unforgiving steel. Oh no! Oh my God, no! No, it can't be. It can't be. No, no!
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Jay Myer has declared this match a double count to the FWF World Heavyweight Champion, Atomic Dog.
I don't think anything was solved here tonight. Double count out. Atomic Dog still walks out champion. Yo, Big Russ Jones, he's out of here. He wants nothing more to do with the champ. That was a hellacious battle. At the end of the day, the champion's got to be pinned or submitted to lose his belt. It's a draw. It's a double count out. Kind of stinks. I'd love to see these two get another opportunity at each other here in Indiana, Dirty Jersey, wherever. Hopefully we'll see the rematch, Jones Dog 2 in the near future. I'm David Adams. This is FWF Fairground Beatdown. Wrestling fans, who's got time for one more match? We got a special attraction tag team up contest. It's coming up next. It's your main event of Fairground Beatdown. Spoon Doggy. I'm not singing anymore.